How to build a report on time spent. In TaxDome, reporting isn't just a tool, it's a powerhouse that serves multiple purposes. For example, the time utilization dashboard in the reporting section is a perfect example of how you can not only understand the performance of the employees, but also calculate a fair amount that should be paid to your team members. Let's see how this dashboard can be used to understand and optimize your team's productivity effortlessly. Inside this dashboard, you'll discover various reports on how team members utilize their time, as well as timesheets for all team members, displayed on different tabs. As a firm owner, you can choose any time frame and see detailed breakdowns of hours filtered by specific employees, accounts, etc. Under the Utilization tab, you will find sections like Smallest Utilization Rates, which tracks the workload of employees, the workload and performance of employees, as well as the Client Utilization Rate, which can help you easily identify clients with extreme workloads. For payroll purposes, you can find Employee Timesheets by clicking on the Timesheets tab. You can filter or sort each column by clicking on the three dots next to it. This reporting table displays all tracked time entries sorted by team member over the last 3 months. To calculate your employee payroll and save it for your records, you can make a copy of the report, tailor it to your needs, and download it by clicking on the three dots on the right. That's it for how to build a report on time spent.